Good morning, students. Today we are going to see chapter 6, Getting Connected Internet. So what is Internet? Internet is a vast network that connects computer all over the world. Okay, this you know, right, children? Okay, so through the Internet we can talk to the people. Okay, we can share the informations and communicate to the people at any time, at any place, at anywhere. Okay, that is the use of the Internet, right, children? Okay. Mm. So let us take some examples in chapter 1. Okay, so they're given that Muskan shared video with her classmate using the Messenger app. Okay, she went out and she took the video and she shared the video to the classmate using the Messenger app. What is the Messenger app? It's nothing but is a mobile app that enables a chat, video or voice. Okay, that is the Messenger app. Okay, then she went to the museum. She took some photos. So she created a blog and shared the photos to the classmate. Okay, how she can share the videos and she can share the photos? How it is possible? Okay, that using the internet it is possible, right? Okay, so we can say what is a blog now. Okay, blog is a regularly updated website or web page and can either be used for personal use or to fulfill a business need. Okay, so it should be a regularly updated one. It can be used for the personal use or for the business purpose, right, children? I can give one simple example. Okay, in hotel, okay, every day the menu will be different, right? One day some special dessert will be there, one day some special meals will be there. Okay, so every day they will be write the menus and they will be displayed out. Then only the people can see, right? Okay, so in hotels every day they will update the menus. Okay, this is an example we can take. A regular update of the website, that is the blog. If the regular update should be there. Okay, that is the blog. Okay. The next slide, www. Children. So www in the sense World Wide Web, okay, is an information space where the document and resource are stored. Okay, we can access this documents and resource using the web browser. So what is a web browser? Web browser is a software we can access the using this you can access the information and resource. Okay, so can you give some example of web browser? Okay, can you give it, children? Yes. Okay, so the most popular is Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Opera. Okay, these are the browsers, right? If you type the address in the address bar, the particular web page will be open with help of the browsers. Okay, children. Okay, the next slide. Okay, so if you type the address, okay, in the address bar, okay, the particular web page will be open. Okay, so the web page is nothing but a collection of information in the form of multimedia. Is a collection of information in the form of multimedia. It will be so colorful. It contains some text, some image will be there, some animated image will be there. Okay, so it will contain the collection of information, that is the web page. Okay, so what is a website? Website is a collection of web page and their related content with the common domain name, that is the website. Website is nothing but collection of web page, that is the website. Okay, so the first page what is opened? Okay, that is the home page. The first page opened, right? What is that? That is the home page. Okay, we can go to the next slide. Search engine. Okay, so search engine is nothing but is a tool to search the information on the web. Okay, so it is a tool. Okay, got it, children? So we can see some example: Google, Bing, Yahoo, Ask, DuckDuck. Using this, we can search the information. Okay, these are the tools. We can go to the next slide. Okay, when we are searching anything in the web, okay, so what type, the first, then what form will this information take? So what type of information I'm seeking? So I can search for any ideas, fact, opinions and option. Okay, you have to decide yourself. What form, in the sense you need in a text form, image or video, or you want to decide that also. Then only your search will be easy. Okay. Then we can go to the next slide. Okay. So the word or phrase that you entered in the search engine, okay, so that particular page will be opened, right? Okay, so so you have to decide the particular word or phrase, okay, that the search engine will be taken that word as a keyword. Okay, so you should avoid the common word like the, of, okay, on, that and all. You should avoid the common words. Okay, so if you're not getting the proper web page using your keyword, so what you want to do, you want to reframe the keyword. Okay, so before reframing the keyword, you want to ask yourself some questions like what exactly you're looking for. Okay, then what words will describe your search best? So you have to find out what word is the best word for your search. Okay, then third one, what if you want only image related to your keyword? You want to decide whether you need only the image or only the video you need. Okay, you want to decide that also. Okay, these three things you want to follow. What exactly you are searching, what word will describe your search best. Okay, the third one, what if you want only the image related to your keyword? So related to your keyword, you only need the image. That also you should decide, image or video or any text. So you have to decide that also. Okay, so we can go to the next slide. Okay, after displaying the information, you can notice that the result page, okay, all the things will be displayed under the heading all the things will be displaying under the heading all. Okay, then so if you want to get only the image, you can click on the image heading. Okay, if you want only the video, okay, you can select the video heading. Okay, so you can select on the particular type of resource. So what you want, you can particular resource, you can use it, children. Okay, so what are the things will be there? All, image, news, videos, maps. Okay, so if you click on the maps, okay, so what you're searching, you can, using the maps you can get the address also, right? Okay, how to go, that information also you can get it. I hope you understood the concept of internet. Okay, we can see the remaining continuation of chapter 6 in the next class. Thank you. Be cheers, be happy. Bye.